Today we are going to design an internal spur gear step by step using SolidWorks. This video is divided into two sections. First, I will walk you through a quick step-by-step guide to model an internal spur gear. Then we will move to Uncut Section so you can follow along in real time. To begin with, create a new part and open a sketch on the front plane. Next, head to Equation section in the Feature Manager and enter this key parameter: module, pressure angle, and number of teeth. After that, open a new sketch again on the front view. Then draw two concentric circles that will form the base for the gear teeth. Now apply the dimension to the circles by referencing the occasion you have set earlier. Once that done, use extrude feature to turn 2D shape into 3D. Set the direction to midplane and thickness to 20 mm. Then switch the display style to hidden lines remove to make it easier to sketch further. Next, add the center line of vehicle length from the center outward. After that, create another circle. This one will be used as the addendum circle. Then draw the pitch circle right inside the previous one. Then just like before, sketch another circle that marks the clearance. And now, draw one more circle to represent the addendum circle. At this point, use smart dimension to set the pitch diameter using formula module times number of teeth. Then, define the clearance dimension using formula module times 2. Next, set the addendum circle dimension using conditional equation. For example, if module more or 1.25, use 2.25 or 2.4 as the multiplier. Once the circles are complete, convert them into the construction geometry for reference only. Then draw 3 center lines from the circle center to the edge of the addendum circle. After that, define the angle between two outer lines with the formula 360 degrees divided by number of teeth. Make sure the center line is symmetrical. Now draw the tooth profile using the 3-point arc tool. Then mirror the shape to get the full tooth geometry. Next, add the center line that concentric and tangent to the gear tooth geometry. Then assign the pressure angle to this line using the smart dimension. Afterward, clean up the sketch by trimming unnecessary lines and convert the clearance circle into construction geometry. Next, draw a new circle slightly larger than the addendum circle. Extend and trim as needed to shape it properly. Then switch the display style back to solid to visualize the final shape. Now use the extrude cut feature to cut the internal profile of the gear based on the tooth geometry. After cutting, add fillet to smooth out the sharp tooth edge. Then apply chamfers to both faces of the addendum circle. Next, use the circular pattern feature to duplicate the tooth around the full circle using axis 1. And finally, assign a material to complete the gear model. Alright, that's the quick step-by-step overview. Now let's jump to the uncut section so you can follow along in the real time.